Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will read pronouns. Let's learn. Now look at the following pictures and notice the words in color in the sentences below them. My name is Raja. I have a parrot. It talks too much. These are my friends. We play together. Hi Surbhi. What are you doing? Now, Anuj is a boy. He plays very well. Rashmi is a girl. She is eating an apple. These are students. They talk too much. In these sentences, the words in color have been used in place of the underlined words. The word I is used for Raja. We is used for my friends. You is used for Surabhi. He is used for the boy. She is used for the girl. And they is used in place of students. It is used for the parrot. Parrot के लिए क्या use किया गया? It. Hence, I, we, you, he, she, they and it are pronouns. Pronouns are the words which are used instead of nouns. जो noun के बदले हम use करते हैं उन words को pronoun कहते हैं. The pronouns we have studied above are all personal pronouns. ये सारे कौन से example हैं personal pronoun के. Now let's read more about personal pronouns through the table given below. Personal pronouns singular. I, me, mine, you, yours, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it. ये है personal pronoun singular में. Next personal pronoun in plural. We, us, ours, you, yours, they, them, theirs. Now personal pronouns. Pronouns that replace the names of person or things are called personal pronouns. जो किसी का name किसी person का name हो उसको replace करता है उसको क्या कहते हैं personal pronoun. For example, I want to play. My father bought a bat for me. We are going to the zoo. Will you come with us? The pronouns I, me, we and us refer to the persons speaking. जो I, me, we और us है वो किसको रेफर कर रहा है? उस पर्सन को जो बोल रहा है. I and me are singular. We and us are plural. I और me singular और we और us को जो है plural में हम count करते हैं. The pronoun you refers to the person we are speaking to. It may be singular or plural. You किसके लिए होता है रेफर? जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. वो singular भी हो सकता है और plural भी हो सकता है. For example, रूही, are you quite okay? Singular. क्योंकि वो you सिर्फ रूही के लिए है. Boys, you must do your homework. ये किसमें है? Plural में. क्योंकि यहाँ you किसके लिए हुआ है? Boys के लिए. The pronouns he, she, it, him, her, they and them replace the persons or things the speaker is talking about. For example, he was tired, so I advised him to take rest. वो tired था इसलिए हमने क्या एडवाइस किया उसको कि वो रेस्ट करे. She helped me to do my homework. I thanked her. They were making a noise. I asked them to keep quiet. I ate an apple. It was very sweet and delicious. जो प्रोनाउन he, she, it, him, her, they हैं ये किसको रिप्लेस करते हैं? पर्सन्स को, थिंग्स को, ठीक है, और स्पीकर को जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. Persons are 3 in number. अब persons भी नंबर में 3 होते हैं. कैसे? सिंगुलर, प्लूरल एंड यूज्ड फॉर. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. इन सिंगुलर आई, मी. फर्स्ट पर्सन में आई, मी. प्लूरल में वी, अस एंड यूज्ड फॉर पर्सन्स हु स्पीक. सेकंड पर्सन यू, यू. पर्सन्स स्पोकन टू जिससे बात की गई है. थर्ड पर्सन ही, शी, इट. दे, पर्सन्स स्पोकन अबाउट, जिनके बारे में बात की गई है। आई होप आपको ये क्लियर हुआ होगा। नाउ दिस इज योर एक्सरसाइज, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट।